All right, we're back. Making another cocktail because it's after 4 o'clock.
Woo!
We got our buzzer. We're using various goal horns. One time from the NHL, we'll play that.
Every
play
day
the
at 4?
goal horn at 4.
Okay.
So we're making a Scofflaw cocktail today. This is a Prohibition era cocktail.
You find the most interesting cocktails.
Well, I have tons queued up, ready to go. So back in during Prohibition, the Boston Herald ran a contest for somebody to name the person who's drinking during Prohibition, right? And I guess the person who won the contest came up with Scofflaw, and then someone in the American bar in Paris, Harry's American Bar in Paris, decided to make a Scofflaw cocktail.
Nice.
So we're using bourbon. We have dry vermouth, grenadine, lemon juice, and orange bitters.
Nice.
Now, the specs for this, the ratios are all over the place. But I'm going with, I guess, what I think is correct. Now, I've had Scofflaws kind of all over the world, but...
Seriously?
Yeah. Actually.
Okay, so where?
My favorite is the one from Cedar Local, which is in downtown New York on Cedar Street. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of bourbon. I think technically this could be made with Canadian rye to stay with the Prohibition theme because bourbon wasn't available. Going with 1 ounce.
Wait. Rewind.
Oh.
So hold on. So you're making it with bourbon, and bourbon didn't exist during Prohibition when this was created?
Well, Prohibition, right, you weren't allowed. I mean, somebody was making bourbon, but...
So wait, but why was gin okay?
Rye.
But why was...
Canadian rye.
I getcha. Okay, thanks for shedding light.
Hey, no problem. So we did 2 ounces of bourbon.
Okay.
We're gonna do 1 ounce of the dry vermouth. And again, I've seen recipes where it calls for like 1.5, 1.5, 2 and 2, and it's all over the place. 1/4 ounce of grenadine.
Giving it the girly pink color.
This way, it gives it a nice girly pink color, and I can still have a manly bourbon drink, but have it be nice and girly, so I stay to what.
See, these girly drink colors are wasted on this drink. I don't think I'd like this.
Not at all. I think you would. Oh. And then we're doing it a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Now you would like this.
All right.
You might like it. I don't know. You might not. You might hate it. Now we're going to do a couple of dashes of orange bitters. I'll do 1/3 because I like lots of bitters. And then because this has citrus in it, what are we going to do? We're going to stir. We're going to shake.
You're going to stir it. You're going to
because this has citrus juices in it.
You're going to shake it.
We're going to shake it. There you go.
I've learned nothing. I had a 50-50 shot of guessing that.
It's a good lesson, right? Don't stir your Manhattan. Don't shake your Manhattan. Don't shake your martini, even though Bond tends to like it that way. Anyway. All right.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yeah, he's wrong.
Okay. Shake's my favorite part.
Got my arm exercises for the day.
And one day you're going to figure out that whole...
Actually, that wasn't too bad.
That wasn't too bad. Good.
Okay, let's get the ice out of this guy. Cool. We are going to... Why do I always leave this in the drawer?
You do. Is it the strainer?
Good Lord.
Yes.
Strainer.
Okay.
We're going to double strain.
Oh, it really is pink.
It is pink.
I'm going to get in close.
Get in close. This way all the friends who I used to travel with at work know that I am truly going to enjoy this drink because I usually get the girly drinks.
I feel like we should go see Megadeth or something.
Well, yes, good point. This would be perfect for prior to a Megadeth concert. All right.
Oh, good. We get the garnish.
We're going to get a garnish.
I love pink with yellow.
Okay. We're going to do a little spritz of the lemon. And then I have one that's been done prior because we're going to let it sit on.
Okay, that's pretty. I feel like I want to take a picture of that. That's gorgeous.
We'll do that after, right?
All right, well now.
All right, and now
Let's see, did you actually do a good job or does it just look good?
I don't know, it probably just looks good. Just like me. Oh, it's nice.
Pump those brakes, hot stuff. Girls, beware.
No, it is good.
Nice.
It's a winner.
Okay.
And it's perfect for the spring.
It is. It's really pretty.
That's all I got.
All right.
Next time you see me, I will not be wearing a light blue top.
Okay.
I promise
We're
you.
going to hold you to it.
All right. Light
Good
blue
job.
week is over.
Thank you.